Welcome to my channel. Yeah. Hi everybody, what's good? My name is Ashlyn. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing this very quick and easy everyday look. As you can see, it's a real subtle look, but it's still saying look at me, bitch. Thought I look pretty. So yeah, if you all like this look and you want to see how to get it, continue to watch, and I'm going to jump right into the video. So first, we're going to start out with priming the eyelids, and I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color medium. I'm going to take my, what is this? I'm going to take this Deluxe Crease Brush from Real Techniques, and I'm going to use this to blend my concealer out. To set my concealer in place, I'm going to use this setting brush from Real Techniques and my Benign Banana Powder. So for my eyes, I'm not going to do much because this is a quick everyday look. So I'm not going to be too extra, probably take 1 or 2 shades. But I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm going to take this setting brush, this blending brush I got in a set from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to the shade Pukey. This palette is filthy. Ooh, baby. So for a little bit more color, I'm gonna use the same brush and same palette. I'm going to the color Roxanne. Alright, so that's about it with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna go off camera and do a winged eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Okay, so while I wait for my lash glue to get tacky, I'm going to go and prime my face, and I'm going to use my Milani Prime Light Primer. If I could get her out. Woo! So for foundation, I'm going to use my NARS Longwear Radiant Foundation in the color Syracuse Medium 1. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques Beauty Blender to apply it. This foundation has really been my favorite lately. I can't stop using it. To go and further blend out my foundation, I'm going to use my Morphe Y6 brush. So for my concealer, y'all seen it coming. I'm using my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the color Medium 2. Only using a little bit because one, this is an everyday look. You don't want it to be too overwhelming, and two, just because I'm not into a bright under eye like that. So to quickly contour my face, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild contour stick in the color Where's Walnut. To blend out my contour, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Face Expert brush. Really trying not to fuck up my edges while I do this. So to go back and blend my concealer out just to make sure it didn't start creasing, I'm gonna use my sponge and just pat that concealer back in place before we go and set our face. And to set, I'm gonna use my Benai banana powder. So really fast, I'm going to take the #1 brush from this is my Ray Ray brush collection, and going into her palette as well, and going into the color Mocha, and I'm gonna dip it to Brownie Bite just a little bit. Just like a little bit. Ooh, that ear hurting. So I'm gonna get my big powder brush and dust off all my powder. Clean out that nose. Sweep up under my eyes. So now that we have a set face, I'm going to use this #2 brush and go into my Becca Cosmetics Sunlit bronzer, and this is in the color Bronze Bonding, and I'm going to bronze my face. I really like a bronzed face, so when I tell you I could just go into this all day, I can. Like, if it ain't bronzed, it ain't beat. Period. For blush, using my blush brush from Real Techniques, I'm going to that Black Radiance bronzer. What the fuck? Blush. I always just fuck up when I get to this part. And this blush is in the color Artesian color, and I'm gonna dab into her. And bam. So I'm going to go and set all this in, and I'm going to use my NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. I want to go and pick up this number 8 brush from the It's My Ray Ray brush set, and I'm going to go into that color Roxanne and put that under my lash line. So Roxanne did not come to play. So of course, to finish my face off, I'm gonna go and highlight. So I'm gonna take my brush and my setting spray, and I'm gonna spray my brush once or twice, and I'm going to go into my It's My Ray Ray palette. Y'all, I'm obsessed with her highlights. Like, sis, you ain't have to go off like this. And I'm going to take the color Radiance and lightly just add her. I'm not gonna add too much highlight today just because this is more of a settled look. Because I'm showing my shoulders today. I mean, why not? Yes. Oh yes, baby, yes. take this brown lip pencil and line my lips. I'm going to take this Huda Beauty matte lipstick, well, liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Trendsetter, and apply her. I want a lot of her, so I'm going to take that baby wipe I had and just for lip gloss, I'm going to use this Buxom lip gloss in the color Clear. So one more time, I'm going to set my face. One more time, I'm going to set my face, and I'm going to use my my Mario Badescu spray and just go ham with it. I'm going to get my face to dry down, and I'll be back with the finished look. All right, everybody, so this is the finished look. I really like it. I hope you all like it too. It came out really pretty and subtle, yet quick and easy. So yeah, if you liked this video, you found it helpful and or inspiring, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also leave your comments below. Thank everybody so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time on my next video.